In real estate, understanding the availability and sales trends of properties is critical for maximizing opportunities and driving growth. Dashboards like this one make complex data easy to interpret and actionable. For example, in this 100% stacked column chart, we get a clear view of units available and sold across various apartment complexes. Each column represents a distinct apartment complex and is divided into two segments: available units and sold units. For instance, in this highlighted apartment, there are 44 units available and 76 units sold, providing a quick snapshot of sales performance and inventory. The dashboard further empowers users by enabling interactive filtering based on key parameters such as location, property type, price range, number of bedrooms, and size. This allows real estate agents and property developers to identify patterns, such as which configurations, 3-bedroom flats or villas between 60 to 70 lots, are in higher demand. The interactivity doesn't stop there. By selecting a specific price range or bedroom count, the chart dynamically updates, enabling real-time insights into property trends. Whether you're targeting premium buyers looking for villas or mid-range customers interested in flats, this tool allows for data-driven decision-making. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.